Hi everyone, Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my video for extreme couponing to extreme donating. So I'm going to be putting together some feminine care packages for Melissa, couponing for a cause. So she's actually going to Skid Row, which is a heavy populated homeless area in downtown LA. So originally I was going to go ahead and go with her, but just things didn't work out for me to be able to go this time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make up as many feminine care packs as I can. So I'm going to just add them into some gallon-sized bags and fill as much as I can, and then I'm just gonna pop it in a priority mailing box and go ahead and ship it out to her. So I wanna thank you guys so much because you guys have all helped with this. You guys have sent tons and tons of feminine care to my P.O. box. So I wouldn't be able to make these packs if it wasn't for you guys. So I definitely want to give you all a big thanks if you have sent out feminine care packages to me. Thank you so much. And it is definitely going for a good cause. So I'm going to start putting bags together, and I'm even going to see if Sawyer wants to help me out. So this is actually going to help them with counting too. So I'm just going to go ahead and share with you guys what's going in each individual little package. So let me get you guys on the table here. So I'm just adding items into a gallon Ziploc bag. So I purchased some washcloths from the Dollar Tree. So each package is going to have a washcloth as well as a fragrance-free bar soap. So there's no irritation that goes on. And I'm also going to include a cleansing cloth as well. And then I'm going to do about 10 pads. I think I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So about 10 pads. And then this is going to be one of the packages right here. So I'm going to go ahead and just stuff as many as I can into a priority mail box. Hey son, do you want to help me? Sawyer, do you want to help mommy? Okay, so what I need you to do is put one washcloth and one bar of soap. Put it in the bag. And one of these packages. Just one. And then I need you to give me 10 of these. Can you count for me?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait, now we have 5. Okay, 5 more.
6.
Wait. One at a time. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we did one. Want to do another one? Okay, hold on. All right. Okay, so we need 1 of those. Okay, 1 of these.
I will pick this one.
Okay, and 10 of those. Count them each. Meanwhile, Tanner is getting into the trash. Put 10 in the bag. Thank you, Tanner.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
A little bit more than 10, dude. Let's count again. Let's count our work. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now put them in the bag. Good job, dude. Okay, now we gotta do another one. You wanna do another one?
Yeah. I want to do another one.
Comment below, good job, Sawyer. Okay, we need one washcloth. 1 bar of soap.
1 bar of soap.
Okay. 1 of these.
1 of these.
10 of these. Yeah, pick whatever ones you want. But we just gotta count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Uh-huh. 10. Now we gotta do it again. You're such a good helper, son. Okay, what's the pattern? What's the pattern we do? Uh-huh, then what?
This.
Okay. Okay.
And this.
Okay. And then what else?
I need time to 10.
Okay.
Then are these.
Okay, go ahead.
1, 2, 3,
Okay. 3,
4, 5,
mm-hmm.
6, 7, 8,
Mm-hmm.
9, 10.
You guys, so in these packages right here, I have 2 boxes that is headed out to Melissa Couponing with the Cause. So we have a total of 16 packages with feminine care essentials. So pads for the women, as well as items to cleanse themselves as well. So I hope this inspired you guys to get out there and donate to someone. Donate your time, donate a good, donate money, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and leave Melissa Couponing for a Cause. I'm going to leave all of her information as well if you want to learn a little bit more about her organization. So next month, I'm going to be sharing with you guys something else that I will be doing with Periods Happen and extreme couponing to extreme donating. So if you joined me in this video series, I want you to go ahead and leave your video linked in the description box, and then I'll go ahead and create a playlist so that everyone else can see. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that if you are not a content creator, but you're a couponer, or you don't even have to be a couponer, send me an email. Let me know what you are doing to donate in your area. And I'm gonna go ahead and make up a montage in next month's videos. A big thank you to you guys for helping support this project I'm working on, Periods Happen. So if you wanna learn a little bit more about what I am doing, I will have a video linked below. And if you'd all ever want to help, my P.O. box is always in the description, as well as my PayPal account. So if you guys ever wanna PayPal postage, if you want to PayPal donations, they are welcome. So another way you can help out is purchasing my shirt from Bonfire. So all of the proceeds go back into Periods Happen. So when you guys purchase those t-shirts, it helps fund the shipping. It helps fund all the extras that I added in, like the bar soaps and the washcloths and the cleansing cloths, because typically we can get feminine products in terms of pads and tampons for free at CVS all the time. So if you guys choose to go ahead and purchase a couponer shirt, all of the proceeds then go to funding Periods Happen. So again, I just want to give you guys a big thank you for supporting me and continuing to, this is going to sound so cheesy, but continuing to help make my, little dreams that I come up with in my head an actual reality. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. So I will talk to you guys all soon. Bye.